Breaking news coming in, our top focus story here on the broadcast. Yogi Adityanath has told the BJP to prepare for elections 2019 for a big clincher in Uttar Pradesh elections.
मैं आप सबको इस बात के लिए आश्वस्त करता हूं कि आप देखेंगे कि 2 महीने के अंदर हम उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर एक ऐसी स्थिति पैदा करेंगे कि उत्तर प्रदेश की आम जनमानस को लगने लग जाएगा कि सरकार कैसे चलती है और कैसे चलनी चाहिए। हम यहां मौज मस्ती करने के लिए नहीं आए हैं। हम लोग 18 से 20 घंटे कार्य करने के लिए आए हैं। जो 18 से 20 घंटे हम लोगों के साथ काम कर सकते हैं वही यहां रहे, अन्यथा लोग अपना रास्ता तैयार कर लें। हमारे मंत्रियों के दरवाजे खुले होंगे। मैं क्षेत्र सह पदाधिकारियों के साथ बैठने वाला हूं, एक रणनीति बनाने वाला हूं, वहां की समस्याओं के बारे में एक व्यापक विचार विमर्श करके उन समस्याओं के सम्यक समाधान और आम अंतिम व्यक्ति तक सरकार पहुंचे, उस प्रकार की रणनीति के तहत हम कार्य करने वाले हैं। जिन गरीबों की कोई सुनवाई नहीं होती थी, हम उसके लिए कार्य करने वाले हैं। जो लोग अब तक भूखे सोते थे, या भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार उत्तर प्रदेश में एक भी व्यक्ति को भूखों नहीं सोने देगी, यह हमारा संकल्प है।
There has to be a strategy, and Yogi Adityanath put in place that strategy. He spoke to booth level workers and he said that's the only way to win elections 2019 in a more magnificent way than 2014. Now 2014 and 2017 have been spectacular victories for the BJP. 2019 has to be even bigger, and he said that is where governance has to show on ground. He spoke to bureaucrats separately. He spoke to his party leaders and party workers. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Rohit Singh, who joins me for more on the story. Rohit, he gave Prime Minister Narendra Modi's example that the Prime Minister works 18 out of 24 hours, and that is what Yogi Adityanath said he expects from every party worker. Take us through details of what all he said and the reaction.
Well, Gaurav, the message from Yogi Adityanath was extremely clear, both to the party workers as well as bureaucrats. And to the bureaucrats, I'm telling you, he still said that since the Prime Minister was also working for 18 to 20 hours, I also work for 18 to 20 hours. If you are able to work for that long hours, you can stay in the system, or else you can just go out of the system. So this was the message for the bureaucrats. And as far as party workers is concerned, this was also the same message that after a massive mandate in the elections in Uttar Pradesh, it was not a time to relax or lay back, but it was time to start preparing for the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, which is scheduled in another 2 years. And during these 2 years, he has given a target to the bureaucrats as well as the party workers that whatever central schemes or the state schemes that are being run in Uttar Pradesh, its benefit should be provided to the people, and the people should realize, and all the benefits should be visible to the people in the next 2 years.
Okay.
That okay, change has come and Uttar Pradesh is back on track of development. So this has the target that has been.
It's a big. Yes. Now it's a tall order given the condition, and especially given the condition here in eastern Uttar Pradesh in Gorakhpur. But for the benefit of our viewers, I mean, Gorakhpur are two different cities, in one inside the ashram where Yogi Adityanath lives, where the Gorakhnath Mutt is, and the city outside, which is in a rather poor condition. What are the orders to bureaucrats? What are they to do in the next 2 years, not just in Gorakhpur, but across eastern UP? It's the crack of dawn, and Yogi Adityanath is already at the Gorakhnath temple inside here, praying. The Chief Minister is with his entourage. He began his day at 4 in the morning, praying at the Lord Shiv temple here at Gorakhnath. Now he'll go to his Gaushala. A parikrama of this temple is currently underway. After praying at the Shiv temple, the 44-year-old yogi is now praying at the Durga Mata temple, and now on his way to the Hanuman temple. A large number of curious devotees, onlookers His fans, they've assembled here at the temple waiting for a darshan. He of course is telling his security personnel to continue and let people have his darshan. इस समय मुख्यमंत्री मंदिरों में दर्शन कर रहे हैं और उनसे मिलने, मदद मांगने काफी लोगों की कतार यहाँ पर है। क्या नाम है आपका और क्या समस्या है आपकी?
स्कूल में 1000 रुपया मिला था, वहू का धक्का मार के निकाल दिए।
तो आप क्या चाहती हैं? आप योगी आदित्यनाथ जी से मिलने आई हैं?
हाँ, हम करे खतरा के आयल बानी, ये मने हमरा के निकारी मत हमरा के रखवा दी।
The Chief Minister at the Gaushala. This is his favorite place at the Gorakhnath temple. There are more than 400 cows at the Gaushala. The Chief Minister, they say, knows each and every one by name. He spends time with these cows here, feeds the calves himself as often as time permits. He's big on cow protection. Those cows that no longer give milk, he wants even those cows to be protected. An entire village economy can subsist on cows. They are productive for everything except their meat is his thinking, and that's the thinking he wants to now take forward. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is now on his way back. Now some of these cows are to accompany him to Lucknow, and that is why they say he spent over an hour at the Gaushala. His security personnel, doctors,
सरकार और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी इस बारे में विशेष उन्होंने पहल भी प्रारंभ की है। देश के अंदर प्रत्येक प्रदेश में एक आदर्श गौशाला बनाना और भारतीय गोवंश के संरक्षण और उसके संवर्धन के माध्यम से किसानों के आर्थिक उन्नयन के लिए कार्य करना, ये महत्वपूर्ण है।
Cow protection massive on his agenda, and that he made very clear. He said both the centre and the state government will ensure that cow protection and taking this culture forward to the next generation remains high on his agenda. But while he talks about cow protection, while he talks about development of Uttar Pradesh, there are problems galore in this state. And let's now shift focus. Let's talk about the home guards in Uttar Pradesh. They are called the Prantiya Raksha Dal, the PRD. More than 100 employees of the Prantiya Raksha Dal carried out a silent protest outside the temple this morning. They wanted to meet Yogi Adityanath. Initially, they used to meet him as their member of parliament. This time, they wanted to meet him as chief minister because they say they're facing tremendous discrimination in Uttar Pradesh. Let's listen in. It's a unique protest in Gorakhpur. Over 1,000 employees of PRD, the Home Guard, the Prantiya Rakshak Dal of Uttar Pradesh, they are protesting. They are not being regularized. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is here at the Gorakhnath Ashram, and they've come here at the ashram to protest. RN Arya आपका नाम है, आप यहाँ क्यों आए हैं?
सर, हमारे पास बहुत बड़ी समस्या है। हमारा लोगों का जीवन एकदम बेकार हो रहा है। हम लोगों को ड्यूटी नहीं मिलती है।
तो आपकी मांग क्या है इस समय?
नियमित किया जाए।
आप लोग नियमित नहीं है इस समय?
अभी नहीं है सर।
आप लोग को दिहाड़ी के रूप में तनख्वाह मिलती है?
जी 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 जी।
250 रुपए प्रतिदिन?
जी।
और नियमित से क्या फायदा होगा?
नियमित से बाल बच्चे मिल जाएंगे, अब लोग वो भी नहीं मिलता।
कम मिलती है। 600 जवान गोंडा से हैं, लेकिन 40 ड्यूटियाँ केवल है।
तो इसीलिए कितने जवान यहाँ पर आए हैं प्रोटेस्ट करने?
अब यहाँ हर जनपद से नहीं आ पाए हैं, कुछ जनपद नहीं आ पाए हैं और आए हैं।
So, if you see, these are not just men, there are men and women of Uttar Pradesh Prantiya Rakshak Dal who are protesting here. They hope to meet the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and tell him the problems that they are facing. Now, law and order is a big issue in Uttar Pradesh. The Prantiya Rakshak Dal or PRD say that they have a major role to play in ensuring that khaki is seen on the streets. Now, one problem they face is that they are used just as waiters or sahayaks in police stations. That they insist is not their job. They want to be regularized. They want to be used effectively as a crime fighting machine in Uttar Pradesh. With cameraman Parminder Sharma in Gorakhpur, Gaurav Sawant for India Today. Rohit, my colleague, still with me on this story. Rohit, it's quite an uphill task for the Chief Minister, given the number of people who are approaching him with the problems, and there are problems aplenty in the state.
Well, you're right, Gaurav. Problems are plenty enormous, and in the last 15 years, they have been mounting. You see, in the Mayawati tenure, or maybe in the Mulayam Singh or Akhilesh Yadav's tenure, and that is why we are seeing that Yogi Adityanath now is being seen as a masiha for the poor people, and they are thronging to his ashram at the Gorakhnath temple with some application in their hands. And as you were speaking to the home guards also, they have many problems. And in fact, if I could cite one more example that happened at the Gorakhnath temple about the loan waiver thing of the farmers. In fact, one person who had come from, in fact, Balia, he was threatening to immolate himself over the loan waiver issue. He was because he had some loan, he had taken some debt, and he was unable to return. So these are the kinds of problem and challenges that are facing the Uttar Pradesh new dispensation in Lucknow, and that is why Yogi Adityanath must focus and cater to these challenges in days to come.
Okay, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. Welcome back. Vikram Saini's BJP MLA from Khatoli in Muzaffarnagar, and he's made a statement that has not just the minorities worried, but several people up in arms. He said, if people have an issue saying Bharat Mata ki Jai, if people have an issue worshipping or respecting the cow, if people have an issue with nationalism, he's going to break their legs. Listen to it. I'll get you more on that story.
भारत माता की कहते हुए जिनका सीना चौड़ा ना होता हो, दर्द सा महसूस होता हो, जब गौ माता को माता न मानते हो, उसकी हत्या करते हो, मैंने वादा किया था ऐसे लोगों के हाथ पैर तोड़वा दूंगा.
These are the leaders that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath needs to rein in, and development. Will that be his mantra on ground? We will continue to track that story very closely. That is all that I have for you on this India Today special broadcast from Gorakhpur. Many thanks for watching. News and updates continue on India Today. Stay with us.